got in the hotel. It was playing some weird, like, I don't know, some 80s porn music. Cracking view. The view looks good. You can't really see it, but over there, that section, it's actually part of the runway. As I walked in the room, there was a plane just touching down as I walked in. It looked really cool. So now what I'm doing tonight, chilling, admiring the view. We've got like a premium room, which is pretty cool. It's like a weird bird on wall, cool stuff. TV, complimentary drinks, espresso. Let's have a look down here. What's this? Is this a fridge? Is it a fridge? Why has it got a lock on it? There we go. Oh, awesome. Complimentary drinks, boys. We've got a Bex and a Peroni. That'll do me. Oh, look at that. The Bombay Sapphire, vodka, famous grouse. So I'll definitely be having a whiskey and 2 lagers tonight at least. Might see if the missus wants the gin. That's cool. A couple of Harrogate Spa, sparkling and still. Not bad, not bad. Went for the premium room. I want another plane to come. As I speak, it's not a plane, but it's definitely, if you can get it in frame, it's definitely a vehicle that flies. Chopper, boring. That means airspace is full for at least a few seconds. So yeah, I'm going to chill out for a bit. Probably go down to the bar later. Catch you boys in a bit. I'll probably see you in the morning when I've showered, woke up, freshened myself up, probably done something with my mop, and yeah, get a big brekkie in. Catch you in a bit.
Day 2.
We're going full send on the breakfast, boys. Cheers. Breakfast down, Japfest en route. I'm actually stuffed. Anyway. Just rocked up. Quite the packed event at the minute. Packed next to a couple of very clean EK9s. But yeah, I'm probably just going to have a bit of a walk around, show you guys what's here. Just give it a quick spruce. Yeah, catch you in a bit. fired up so quickly. How smooth and sweet does that sound for such an old engine? So I'm a bit pissed off in that my gimbal decided to stop working. It's not worked at all while I've been here, so all the shots that you've seen have just been me just wandering around with the phone camera that I've got. Like, I can't get the gimbal to work, so I can't get any nice silky smooth footage, which is shit. Some mad cars here. Probably seen that 1000 horsepower Supra. Fucking G's. Proper one of those. A nice white Evo 6. White 300 ZX in the distance. I don't know if you can see that. Literally got like a close up of your face. So that was so funny. Why didn't they make a 4-wheel drive new Celica? One of the lads actually commented on one of my old videos saying, why don't they make a 4-wheel drive turbo GT86 in the second gen? It'd basically be a Subaru, you know, drivetrain. But that would make a very good Celica GT4, like the original rally car. That would be awesome. This is clean. This is really clean. These things in white look so nice. It's got the black like fascia around the tail lights as well. I like that. That's pretty cool. Do you think maybe things should do that with mine? Yeah, it's exactly the same car, yeah. It's a pre-facelift one. Just been talking to Lee Lockwood, pretty sound guy to be fair. Had some good advice. Could tell he was speaking with a bit of wisdom around the whole YouTube thing now and how the car channels are getting it's getting very saturated, so it's very hard to grow now in that niche. He's saying that he started, you know, basically before it became such a big thing where it was so saturated and hard to grow. I obviously said that, you know, I've been watching him since like the Megane, and he said that's when he like grew the most, when he had that Megane, you know. Probably not the car, probably just the timing. He, from what reading between the lines, what he was saying, be a really sound guy. Had quite a few wise words to say. Cool to meet him. I think he's coming up to like 70,000 subscribers now, which is quite the achievement. Hopefully one day I'll be a similar level. Who knows? Yeah, it's quite chill today because unlike previous years when I've been, they've not got the drift cars on. They've set up like a handling course instead this time on the smaller track, which I'm very tempted to go on, to be fair.
A few moments later.
So I'm off on the handling course. It was about to happen. It was bound to happen. So I'm trying to wedge everything in my car now, make sure nothing moves.